Today, y'all, we've been doing house cleaning, and I need an iced coffee. We've got a little bit of coffee left from this morning, so I'm going to take it and I'm going to make an iced coffee, and we're going to be using a protein drink that we get from Costco. So I'm going to show you this quick little way that you can make an iced coffee plus get collagen and protein in. When you've got a lot of cleaning to do and you need that little pick-me-up, this might be the one you're looking for. So y'all come on and let's go make it. Today we're going to make an iced coffee, and we're going to be getting our collagen and our protein in at the same time. So we have a good old mason jar. Y'all know I love my mason jars. And we're just going to fill it full of ice. Our coffee from this morning has cooled down, so we're going to be using the rest of our coffee to make this iced coffee. And now we're going to shake up our protein drink. You get collagen and protein in this one. We get these at Costco. This one is the chocolate flavor. Y'all can use this idea for any kind of iced coffee. And now we have the birthday cake zero sugar coffee creamer. And yes, I don't like to use this. I do make a lot of my homemade coffee creamers. I've got a lot of videos on that. But when I seen the birthday cake one, I had to try it. And now we're gonna give that a mix. Get all that creamer mixed in. I filled it too full, but that's okay. And now we're going to give it a try. Oh, that's good. So there you go. A fast, easy way to have some iced coffee and add a little protein and collagen to it. Make it more healthier for you.